guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to show you my slime. I know my last video it says come check out my green slime, but I want to show this one again. I really love this. So I know what it is, but I just want to show you. It's very sticky. And all and stuff. Sticky. Work well. All. I know you can go see. Really hard to take it off. I shouldn't play with it. I made this on Friday. It's slime. Sometimes you can call it ghoul. So let me wash my hands. And then I wash my hands. Oh no, not someday got on me again. Because someday we're outside. Then let me. I know you're seeing your Rudolph. Rudolph ain't no reindeer. And I'm glad I have a bunch of subscribers. I hope I get more. I have 22 so far. I got 23 yesterday, then someone unsubscribed, which is fine to me. Well, if you like the video, if you like my video so far, that will be great. So thanks for watching. I have other videos like these videos.